Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking resolution and assets so nothing breaks later. Set your slide size to 1920 by 1080 and choose 30 frames per second. This ensures crisp video output. Once done, import PNG logos, MP3 voiceover, and 1080p clips into the media library. Then build a short storyboard of 3 to 5 scenes with rough seconds per slide. This gives you timing targets. Make sure fonts and colors match brand guides before you animate anything. You now add movement to sell attention. Apply entrance animations and motion paths to key elements. Staggering starts by a few tenths of a second, so text and logo don't compete. Use the animation pane to set exact durations and delays. This is where your storyboard timing comes alive. Trim any embedded videos to remove dead frames and place layers in the right order: background video first, then text, then logo. Once positioned, preview at full speed to check flow and pacing. You finish by syncing the voiceover and any sound effects to your animation timing. Make small timing nudges so words align with on-screen text. Then choose File, Export, Create a Video, select 1080p at 30 FPS, and use recorded timings and narrations so durations hold. Export to MP4 and review playback on another device. If audio drifts, re-import the MP3 and realign in the timeline. If the file is too large, reduce bitrate or re-export at high rather than ultra quality to compress without visible loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.